Point in time, Vinesh Fogart vows to continue the fight. This is the latest update that we have at this point in time. First reaction coming in from Vinesh Fogart in this particular case. She has vowed to continue the fight. First statement after Brij Bhushan Singh's acquittal. Wrestlers have decided to appeal against the verdict. So this is the big update coming in. It's not over really. It did seem like a heartbreak for all the wrestlers who finally gathered courage, came out, held protests, and they went against the then WFI chief. And now what we have got for you, first reaction from Vinesh Fogart, and this is the post in fact that she has put out on social media platform X, saying हमें सड़क पर उतरने और सत्ताधारी पार्टी के एक बाहुबली नेता के खिलाफ एफआईआर दर्ज करवाने के लिए बहुत हिम्मत जुटानी पड़ी थी। सत्ता और अपने बाहुबल के दम पर ब्रिज भूषण ने कई लड़कियों को डराकर उनके नाम वापस करवाए हैं। Remember, one complainant was a minor here. Her father took back the case, withdrew the case, and that also happened. So maybe this is what she is referring to here. पर कई महिला पहलवान खड़ी रहीं और कोर्ट में ब्रिज भूषण के खिलाफ लड़ाई लड़ती रही। हमें इस बात का बहुत दुख है कि अदालत ने ब्रिज भूषण शरण सिंह को महिला पहलवानों द्वारा लगाए गए यौन हिंसा के आरोपों में दोषी नहीं माना। शुरू दिन से ही सारा तंत्र, सरकार और सिस्टम ब्रिजभूषण को बचाने के लिए लगा हुआ था और जल्द ही जल्द हमने उम्मीद नहीं छोड़ी है और पहलवान अपनी लड़ाई जारी रखेंगे। सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट रिएक्शन दैट वीव गॉट फ्रॉम विनेश फोगाट आफ्टर द acquittal of ब्रिजभूषण शरण सिंह, and the wrestlers have now decided to fight to appeal against this particular verdict that came out today. We have my colleagues joining us live right now. We have Bhavtosh, Karishma, as well as Deepankar live with us. Karishma, to you first. First reaction there coming in from Vinesh Fogart's side, and she actually became the face of this particular protest along with Sakshi Malik and many other prominent wrestlers in 2023. But they are not satisfied with this verdict. They've decided to appeal against it.
Well, yes, absolutely, Hina. A couple of important points from the statement that has been released by Vinesh Fogart. First, when she says that Brij Bhushan tried to threaten the wrestlers to take back their names, and that is why a few of the wrestlers took back their names. One of the cases we know who dropped a complaint as well. Then she goes on to say कि शुरू दिन से ही सारा तंत्र, सरकार और ये सिस्टम ब्रिज भूषण को बचाने के लिए लगा हुआ है. And in the end, she says that the women wrestlers have already told their legal team to take this case forward to appeal in a higher court, and that this fight against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh is only going to continue. She in fact goes on to say that when they sat on the streets in New Delhi at Jantar Mantar, they knew how powerful he is and how much they had to go through to get that FIR filed against him, and they are going to continue this fight in a higher court. They know what it's going to take. This is what Vinesh Fogart in her statement is saying. She goes on to say, and I'll quote, महिला पहलवानों ने अपने वकीलों को इस फैसले के खिलाफ अपील करने का निर्देश दे दिया है और ये जल्द से जल्द की जाएगी। हमने उम्मीद नहीं छोड़ी है और पहलवान अपनी लड़ाई जारी रखेंगे. So Vinesh Fogart saying that there is still hope for the wrestlers and that the fight against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh and the allegations that were made by these women wrestlers will continue. They will take it to a higher court.
Right, Karishma, request you to please stay on with us. In fact, what we are now witnessing also in this particular case